This
It's pomelo.
and peel how we peel it.
And this is how we peel pomelo. I don't know how to peel it yet. We're gonna teach you how to peel pomelo. Well, my dad is. No, I'm not gonna peel the pomelo because I don't know. And plus, my dad doesn't let me use a knife. Oh, I knew it. That's how you peel.
Slide down. Slide up.
Use a spatula.
You can use spatula too.
Okay, and turn it. Ooh, I could use this for something. And you're gonna do the other side too. Oh, cool. I already can do that. Take it out.
Put your hand and take out.
And there we go. That's how you take off pomelo. And also we had these cool hats from the pomelo. Can I peel it? It's not very Daddy, can you buy some more pomelo tomorrow? Daddy, is this big? We have another pomelo to peel. So let's start peeling it.
1, 2, 3, go!
Ta-da, we already peeled this pomelo, so we were just kidding that we had two. But it's so delicious. Now it's time to eat it. Yummy! Fly, fly.
So can we say in French?
Delicious. Delicious.
Delicious.
Très délicieux, en fait.
In Lao?
C'est fly.
In Thai?
Aromac.
In Vietnam?
Thơm ngon.
Well, actually, we don't know in Vietnam the term one.
Thơm ngon.